Ever wondered what the future of smartphone technology looks like? Meet the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, a device that redefines the boundaries of innovation and style. Imagine a device that fits comfortably in your hand, measuring a sleek 6.47 by 2.93 by 0.32 inches. This smartphone is lightweight, tipping the scales at a mere 6.70 ounces, yet robust enough to stand up to life's daily challenges with IP53 dust and splash-resistant capabilities. This vibrant device boasts an AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, a breathtaking 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Its 6.78-inch screen takes up almost 90% of the front surface, providing a stunning visual experience with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, all protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus runs on Android 14, with XOS 14 overlay, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset. This device expertly handles multitasking, with an octa-core CPU and a whopping 12 GB of RAM. As for storage, this device offers a generous 256 GB, ample room for all your apps, photos, and videos. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple camera setup. Capture the world in stunning detail with a 108 MP main camera complemented by two 2 MP cameras. The camera features include dual LED flash, HDR, and panorama. Not to forget the impressive 32 MP selfie camera that also comes with a dual LED flash. In terms of sound, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus is a treat for the ears. Stereo speakers tuned by JBL deliver 24-bit high-res audio, immersing you in a world of crystal-clear sound. Connectivity is a breeze with this smartphone. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and even includes an infrared port. Powering all of this is a 4600 mAh battery with 100W wired charging that can take the battery from 0 to 50% in just 12 minutes. It also supports 20W wireless MagCharge, reverse wired, and reverse wireless charging. Available in Obsidian Black and Vintage Green, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus is truly a marvel of modern technology. With a price tag of approximately €290, this smartphone offers premium features without breaking the bank. The Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus is not just a smartphone, it's a statement.